Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So today, Sennheiser just dropped a new pair of headphones and they've invited me down to the studio to check them out. They're calling this one Nothing But The Truth. Interesting name. Let's see what it's about. Hello, how's everyone? All good?
All good.
Everyone is for a Sennheiser event, I guess. So these are what we're here for today. Nothing but the truth. One of the rooms, this is the Dolby Atmos room actually. Wow, nice spaceship. If you're new here, I'm Qatari, Dubai-based sound engineer and music entrepreneur. Been in the game for over 12 years, and on this channel I show you the behind the scenes of my lifestyle and share tips on music production and pursuing music as a full-time job. We just arrived and there's like a small presentation that's gonna happen. We have a little like classroom set up. I think they're gonna present the headphones. We're gonna have like a little brief on the product and then probably test them out later. So yeah, we're just waiting for the event to start now. A couple of people joining us. I guess it's all different people involved in the music industry and influencers and stuff. So we've just had a presentation about the new headphones. So the HD 480 Pro is the new headphones by Sennheiser that are closed back and made kind of to be versatile, to be everything. So right now we kind of been split into groups. There's a group which are already checking the headphones out, while us we're just like going to another station and we're gonna be rotating. So here they got like some, I guess, legacy models of Sennheisers that were like very famous, which is cool. It'd be cool to compare those and then after compare it to the new one. Interesting. I didn't know is that Neumann is a sister company of Sennheiser. I always thought they were like two different brands, but yeah, like it's like, you know, there's Neumann, it's like a certain last name, and then Sennheiser is like another last name. Like how they're related, you know? Right now we're testing the iconic headphones. Like I saw this in almost every studio around. It's either these or the Bear Dynamics. Very interesting pair. For my personal opinion though, like looks like you're a pilot when you wear them. Like you're about to land or... Quick heads up, this is not a paid video. Sennheiser did invite me here to check out the new headphones and they did give me a pair to keep, but everything that I say inside this video is my honest opinion and review. So now we're gonna go check out the headphones in the room. Let's go. Took my laptop with me. Let's go test some of our tracks. So yeah, we're out here at MNK Studio for the Sennheiser event. Such a beautiful space. They have multiple rooms. It's not my first time here. I've been here in the past, but yeah, they got a really nice Atmos setup here. Beautiful sound. The sound isolation and acoustics is insane. So cool. Real quick before we keep going, in case some of you guys might not know me yet, I've been working in some of the biggest recording studios between Dubai and London for the past 12 years. I've traveled around the world, performed around the world, created music and sound for brands, for artists, and also released some stuff on my own. About 6 years ago, I started my own thing, running my own studio, event series, and music production course where I teach hundreds of students from all around the world how to create music from scratch. If you're interested in any of that, links in the description down below. First impression is like they're really comfortable, surprisingly. Like the pads are like so soft, it's like a pillow. Nice. And light, really lightweight. So first hands-on. Right now we just connected my laptop to the interface and we're gonna check out how the headphones sound like. First impression, honestly, like the build quality is crazy. It's super light, it's amazing. And on the head as well, like I'm wearing glasses right now and like I can barely feel them. And in the past, the main problem with headphones that I've used in the past is that when you wear glasses, like they're like pressing on your like skull and it's so painful after like just a couple of minutes. So I'm really impressed with those, how lightweight they are. It is plastic though at the end of the day. So yeah, that's kind of how they achieve the lightness, but like I think they look pretty durable and you know. So let's try to play something. We're gonna try and play some of our own music first and see how it goes and take it from there. interesting. After hearing like one track of mine, like that I mixed in the studio just a couple of days ago, I think that the headphones are pretty honest. Like they sound like really balanced. The lows, the highs, the mids. Like the bass is not exaggerated, so that's a good thing. Now, yeah, like in general, I think they sound great. Comfort is great. Very interesting the sound. Like the panorama, like the panning left, right, like feels really like spacious. So I might be slightly biased here because usually I hate studio headphones because they're generally quite flat and boring to listen to. But surprisingly, those Sennheisers are kind of like the middle ground between like studio quality sound where the bass is not exaggerated, the bass is like pretty flat but you can still enjoy it, and the clear mids, clear high end, so it's like really well balanced, but at the same time you can enjoy the music. So surprisingly, for a pair of studio headphones, they're pretty cool actually. Personally, I like the headphones. Like they look great, build quality looks cool. I have a small head, so they like usually headphones are like weirdly fitting for me, but like in this case they were great. At the end of the day, Sennheiser is one of the most reliable headphone brands in the market, whether it comes to durability, sound quality, the DJ segment, the pro audio segment. They've always been delivering some of the best headphones in the world. Now, when it comes to the HD 480 Pro, if you are a producer that wants a solid pair of headphones that can do it all, that's versatile, you should definitely give it a try. Now, I'll be letting you guys know my opinion on those headphones long term. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think you definitely should give it a try. Oh, thank you so much. Look what we got here.
And there's more.
Oh wow, thank you, some merch. Sennheiser merch representing. Thank you so much, Moses, for the opportunity. Like a big pleasure to meet you, and hopefully we can do more stuff together. Thank you so much. So we're off. Thank you, shout out Sennheiser for having me. It was a great experience to be around here. They invited a bunch of musicians to come and check out the new headphones. Super cool product, to be honest. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe, and shout out Sennheiser for having me, and see you in the next one. Peace.